Day 2 of the boat show, Southampton boat show, and we now have all the boats open except for 2. You can see how these need cleaning, as we haven't done them yet. Got all the boats open now. This is what this one looks like inside. Those 2 we haven't got the keys for. The only 2 now. All these canopies we had to put up on every boat, including the canopy on that boat, which you can see there through the under the Quicksilver sign. That canopy we put up, as well as that canopy. The owners have got to come and set all this equipment up. I will show you this one later once it's open. As you can see, this is some of the stuff that we're going to wash today. Here to get marks off like that. Marks like that, we will use acetone. Glue, we will use acetone. Masking tape, glue again, we will use acetone to get that off. And again there. Again there. Dirty footprints from workers. Well, got to deliver this boat today, and it's a 260-mile trip there and back, and it's got to go to Bath. Doing it for a friend of mine. Obviously we're getting paid for the job. We're nearly ready to go. Just got to strap down, strap off, and we're ready to go. I was told to watch this because it could blow off, but it's bolted down from the inside, I've been told. What we could do with checking the bolts to see if we can get that any tighter. Oh, that lane over there?
Yeah.
Today we have an Audi valet, full valet inside and out. Dog hair. Get into it. We've got the chemical on the alloys, dissolving the brake for odour. This, if you remember, was the Audi that we completely valeted inside and out. I'm back a few days later because, as I said in previous videos, we was running out of light, sorry, and I wouldn't be able to send you, show you a third and final video of this Audi. Anyway, all nice and clean. If you remember, these seats were stained, all nice and clean. If you remember, there was large stains on these seats, all clean. If you remember, there was dog hair on there, all clean. Now, the dog hair that was in the boot of this car, it took me 45 minutes professional cat hair removal to remove this hair. Sorry, dog hair.